Hello YouTube, I'm here from Blue Needle Studios, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to edit your dock. So I'm going to show you how to edit it in every way. First I'm going to show you how to add and remove applications, and then I'm going to show you how to change the sizing and all of those sorts of things. So first, how to remove an application from your dock. So first of all, you have to make sure the application is closed. So you can't have it open when you get rid of it. Is come down to its name. I've got a racing game here. And then you right click. If your mouse doesn't have a right click, you can hold control on your keyboard and click. And then come up to options and click on remove from dock. And then you'll see a little cloud and it'll just animate it disappearing. And that's all you have to do to remove an application from your dock. So next I want to show you how to add a new application to your dock. So if there's an application that you want to have easy, instant access to at any time, then it's best to add it to your dock. So I'm just going to come into my applications folder here. You can go in from the applications folder or just wherever the application is located. And then what you want to do is find its icon. I'll just try to find one to add. Maybe I will add Stunt Mania, which is another racing game. So then all you have to do is click and hold to drag it, and then bring it down to the bottom of your dock until you see it sliding the other applications around, and then let go, and you will have your app for instant access and it will stick in the dock. So that's all you have to do to add or remove applications. The next thing I want to show you how to resize your dock and change to what's called the magnification. So to quickly resize it at any time, all you have to do is come down to this little grey line here. I'll just zoom in on it, it's right around here. And then when you hover over it, your cursor will change to an arrow. So then if you click and hold, you can make your dock bigger or smaller by dragging your mouse up or down. So I'm just going to leave it at about this. This is the size that I like. So that's all you have to do to resize your dock. And then I want to show you a few other options. So what you actually need to do, just let me close this so I can show you all the steps, is come into System Preferences, and then come into Dock, and then here are all of your other options. So we've got the size here, it works just like what we did before, it's just giving you another option. And then what we can change is magnification. So if we check this, then what's going to happen is when we hover over our dock, apps are going to get bigger wherever our mouse is. So if I drag this right up to max, you can see that they get really nice and big and easy to see. So for a lot of people this is good. I usually prefer it either on just a small amount, just so that I can get a bit of assistance with seeing it, but it isn't too eye-catching. Or usually, at the moment, my preference is just to leave it off. And so one other cool thing you can change is the position on the screen. So right now I've got it on the bottom, but you can also set it to the left or right. I'm not really going to show you guys that, but it just goes to either side of the screen. Then you've got minimize windows using. So here we've got the genie effect. This means that it sort of squeezes itself and it gives a cool effect when it shrinks. So if I just press minimize here, watch this. So you can see that it sort of shrinks and morphs. And then if I come into scale, it doesn't really do that, it just gets smaller. So those are just some different effects. And you've got an option to double click on a Windows title bar to minimize. So normally you have to press on this minus button, but you can just double click on the top and it will minimize it. So I like having that. You can also minimize windows into application icon, animate opening applications, automatically hide and show the dock. Now automatically hide and show the dock is pretty handy. If you tick this, then it'll disappear from your screen. However, if you move your mouse to the bottom where the dock is located, then it will pop up. You can also change this using the keyboard shortcut Command-Alt-D, and then this will make it check or unchecked. So that's really all of the options. I hope that you guys have learned everything about changing your dock. I know that I certainly find it very useful to know how to edit everything about it, because it's such a big part of the experience using a Mac. So again, thanks very much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later.